4 hours to find 3 Needohs and give them away. They're sold out everywhere, and if I fail, I have to give away my entire collection.
It is 5:45 in the morning and I'm off to pick my camera guy up. Never in my life did I think I would do this. You're gonna go camp out for a $5 toy.
That's when I realized I have 3 miles of gas left, and the gas station is 4.
It's literally packed and people are leaving their cars and getting out and there are no spots.
I picked him up and the game planning started immediately. Simple. Walmart opens at 8, so we're there at 7:45. But when we get there, why are there people walking out before 8 with bags of toys?
This is where they would be. We gotta pack it up. We gotta run.
Yep.
There's no way these are actually $3. We're about to walk away and give all of them one.
Spoiler alert, they were $35 on the app. I am not Oprah and you are not getting one.
We're pretty much at a bust here. It is what we consider Disney Walmart, so it's not a real Walmart. It's got all of the stuff. 8:04, we've already knocked out 1 Walmart. We're gonna try to do 2 Walmarts, 2 Targets, and then see what we can find. Walmart number 1, fail.
We made a massive mistake here. Either end the challenge or miss a flight. That's where we're at.
Thing is, my plane leaves at 1 and I've got to be boarding at noon, so we've got to get this done.
Things we didn't account for. Spring breakers and more spring breakers.
Maddie, it's been an hour in traffic.
I know, we're in trouble. Like we've wasted an hour, we have to go.
Pull up to the second Walmart and I'm trying to stay optimistic. Like, okay, the first one was a miss, that's fine. This one, this has to be it. We're basically speed walking. Guys, we're running.
Everyone's looking for them. I don't even see them.
I'm scanning every shelf, every end cap, everything. Here's the difference though. At this Walmart, they have their restock items laid out on a document.
We may not have Needohs, but we have a free Starbucks drink.
While I'm searching this, I realized there's no Needohs. There's not a single Needoh on here getting restocked.
There's no Needoh.
Hey, Maddie, this is my favorite toy. I think we should get it.
A propane tank?
Yeah.
Oh. Part of me really wants to wait here because this is the store where I had them last time and I was buying a TV at literally 8 a.m. and they just walked up, put it there, and we're done.
But there is a spot for the Needohs, but they're being replaced by slime. At this point, I'm doing the math again and the math is not mathing and we are not gonna find them.
Walmart number 2 is a fail. Our best bet is we're running to Target's because Target says the app is loaded. I did this yesterday and Target lied.
New game plan. I went on the app and Target shows they had them in stock. We're running.
Going to another Target. This one is in the hospital district, so I'm hoping that there is a sliver of a chance.
Then we hit Target number 2.
Because I really have a good feeling.
Wiped clean of even the regular fidget.
Target, stop telling people on your app you have them when you dumped. And these were the exact ones I needed.
I search everywhere. I'm desperate.
Dodgeball ball? No, this is like an actual ball.
Maddie, it's literally 10 and we've got to get to the airport. You know Orlando's crazy.
We couldn't mass produce Needohs, but we could mass produce Fugglers. We literally have to run now. They just told us guest services has them all, so come on. Chilo, like, I'm gonna have to hide the camera like pretty low, just get my audio, but they just said that guest services have them all, so we're running.
It's like $5.99.
Yeah, and I got 2. I'm so mad, pissed, because we didn't know that they were behind the counter, and we never would have known. So we've gone to all of these places for no reason. We've got to go back.
Wow.
Now it makes more sense on why they say they're online. And I did think about this because when the Owala phase happened, that's what they did with the crazy Owalas. Target number 1 was a success. We're going back 34 minutes from where we came. We got so lucky. We were about to leave. I guess the whole time they've been there and we didn't know it. You just had to go to customer service, which in the back of my head, I thought maybe that was the case like once or twice. But we ran into this girl and she was like, oh, yeah, I just picked up all of the ones at Sand Lake. She's like, I had something like 4 and then 2, but the max was like 2 of each. And she was like arguing with someone. I was like, this is not a flex. Like, you saying you took an entire supply from everyone else is not a flex. So
we're starting to cut it close to the flight schedule. So at this point, we have a couple more options and then it's a fail and I'm losing all of mine.
About to watch me crash out. This is the Target we started at. We are going back to the Target we started at. That's where it's taking us. Remember, that's where I said, that's my secret stash place. We are going back to the original Target. We drove an hour the other way for.
What you didn't see in the vlog is this is where we originally started. This was gonna be our first one, but I pulled it because I thought it was a tourist trap, but apparently the app said it refreshed on Needohs.
We've got like 30 minutes till I gotta be at the airport.
There's so much pressure on us now because of the time restraint to get to the airport and to get the cafe. So we are going to need to test this Target.
This Target was a complete bust. By the time we got to the door, we looked around and they said we don't have them. They knew exactly what we were here for. So we decided to take a little 5-minute play break and play some Bluey, because who doesn't like Bluey? And today has been nothing but stress and car rides and traffic. So we took a little Bluey break and had some fun and a self-rewarded day. We also got some Joyride because
Creators, which inspired this whole series, but also my blood sugar's low, so we've got fun food. I have it for 7 hours now, almost 12 straight. The whole purpose of this vlog is there's a little side quest. We're gonna find the Needohs, and then we're gonna go in fast food restaurants, and we're gonna find teenagers working, and we're gonna give them a Needohs. So that's why we have to find the Needohs before Ash gets on a plane. Needoh store, just kidding. Let me scope it out, let me see. I don't really know where we're gonna find places to give them to. Okay, wait. The Needohs?
Yeah, recently we've been in the Target.
Do you like them?
Yeah, they're cute. Oh,
We're giving away on my YouTube channel, and we saw you come out. We were trying to find someone that was like young enough that would like understand what we're doing.
no, these are so cute. I was like, they've been at Target, but they
We
always
got up
sold
at
out.
7 a.m. today to get them.
way.
Yeah.
We're like,
And now you got Needoh.
Yes.
Brand new. It's never been opened. So there you go.
That's nice. Let's do a little reveal.
Yay!
One person. We got 2 more we have to give away. Again, there are kids going in there, but I don't have enough to give every kid a Needoh. But I'm so glad she turned and like kind of like eyed me. I was like, Ash, back up. Do you know what those Needohs are that everyone's are going crazy about?
The like little squishy things.
Yeah.
I don't know what they are, but I've heard a lot about them. I think they're just like stress relievers,
Yeah.
like ADHD or something. And I know you can get them like Target.
Well, we're passing them out today. So there you go.
Thank you. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
That. That's awesome.
We fought for our life for that, so you better guard it with your life.
I
We
will.
went and got them at 7 a.m. to pass out.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, have a good day. Wait, he's like showing them. He's opening it. He's beaming.
Aww.
And that's why we do what we do. I'm so tired, I'm about to hit the ground.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
And it's a cash or card?
Card.
Card.
Do you know what Needohs are?
Yeah,
Have you seen them around?
I haven't. It's gonna ask you a question, but yeah, there was a family that came through and they said that they've been out all day hunting Needohs for their daughter. I was like, oh,
So,
crazy.
I'll show you in a second once we do this.
Sorry, it's like.
No, you're good.
Here we go.
Ash, this is your card.
Yep.
So we literally have been rope dropping buying Needohs since 6 a.m.
That's crazy.
But we don't do it for us. We go and we buy them for you guys. So guard that with your life. We do YouTube, and so we're like
God.
filming,
Oh, hi.
and we've been finding them since 6 a.m. for you guys.
That's crazy.
So-
Thank you. Oh my God.
So guard that with your life.
I
We
will,
fought
I will.
hard in Target for that. Bye.
I'm so excited.
She was. We're done.
It's not about how much money you spent on Needohs, how many hours you sat in traffic, or the amount of hours you didn't get to sleep the night before. It's about all the beautiful people you met along the journey and were able to make smile and have a better day.
Includes the 3 of 3.
Yes.
We gave 3 different stops. We went McDonald's,
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, and 7 Brew. And she's so excited. She's opening it. And we made our mission complete by 10 minutes. And now we're gonna wait 10 minutes in this line and get this coffee and take him to the airport.
Yep.
Did it. We hit all 3. We gave 3 away. So until next time.
Yep.